Okay, we're just going to see how to get information from the Fall Factor Form 15 into the online database at steadyforlife.com. So the patient has filled out your Fall Factor Form 15 paperwork, and then on the back of this page there is a spot where we can enter in our objective information, which is number of falls over what time period, the tug, the 5-time sit-to-stand, and the Berg. So when I go and log into the database, it'll automatically by default bring me to the screen for Fall Factor Form 15. And then I just simply put in the patient information. I'll just enter a patient example here and the age, 62. Then I just look down this column and the number order is the same as the number order on the hard copy of Fall Factor Form 15. So the way that this patient answered was yes, yes, no, yes, yes, no again. Number 7 is a yes, 8 yes, number 9 is a no, and then numbers 10 through 14 were yes answers. Number 15 was a no answer. Then at the bottom on the at steadyforlife.com, you'll see the same screens to enter in the information from this page, the back of the page on Fall Factor Form 15. So in this case, we've had 2 falls over the last 3 months, a tug of 14 seconds, a Berg of 46, and then the 5-time sit-to-stand of 18 seconds. Then we can also put in any comments here. So I made the comment that the patient fell getting out of bed and slipped in bathroom entryway. Then I'll put my information in here as the examiner. The date's auto-filled for today's date, so if you need to change that, you can. But then I just hit Submit Form. Now the information is in the database. I can go and confirm that. When I go to Outcomes, it'll populate at the top. See patient example here. And then I can use that magnifying glass to view the original Fall Factor Form 15. And it'll just show me back a hard copy of what I had the patient fill out with the information that I put in. This is a PDF, so if I needed to attach that PDF to my EMR, I could, or I could print it out to put it in a physical chart or file. Then when I finish with this patient, they're at the end of the fall program, I'm going to have a post-test, meaning I'm going to collect their information at the end. So again, I'll have the same type of data where I put in the number of falls over the time period, the tug, the Berg, and the 5-time sit-to-stand at the end, and then I would just hit Save Changes. But since I don't have that information right now, I won't put that in. The value on that is then it'll feed into pre and post reports, and then that data also goes into the program summary reports, which we'll show you in a different video. But the focus on this video is just to teach you how to get the data from Fall Factor Form 15 into the online database at steadyforlife.com. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again in future videos.